Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll learn Revolved Cut in Solidworks. This is a very important tool in Solidworks. With the help of this tool, we can remove materials from 3D models which possess axis symmetry. Revolved Cut removes materials by removing or revolving a clothes profile along an axis. You can access this Solidworks feature from both Command Manager and menu bar. The difference between extrude cut and revolve cut is extrude cut removes materials from 3D models only in linear manner. The revolve cut SolidWorks feature main application is it helps to make axis symmetric models of train wheels or step shaft, curve holes, piston rings, settings, etc. So by using this feature, we'll create chess king here. I have tried once and we'll create another. So let's start. First of all, go to new and part, okay, and go to front plane, sketch, make normal, and then we'll start sketching here. So line, start from origin. Don't worry about the dimension, we'll fix it later. So go to smart dimension, this height you keep 50, and this one you keep 15. I think 15 is okay. So this is our sketch, and everything we'll do here is by revolve feature, either revolve boss or revolve cut. So exit smart dimension and go to features, revolve boss base here, axis of revolution, this one. Yeah. Okay. So my revolve boss is ready, and so let's start a revolve cut here to make a chess king like this. This one here. So go to front plane, sketch, and make normal, and we'll start here. One line to start from here. Okay, and this so we'll exit this straight line and we'll go to spline here, spline to here, here. So exit this and again go to straight line and exit and make this closed loop here. Revolved cut requires closed loop, so our loop is closer, and I'll again go to for construction axis. I'll make one axis of rotation. Make this line for construction geometry. So sorry, this line it's not supposed to be construction line, so delete this and make one line here. Okay, so this is our close profile. So we'll fix done and go to features, revolve cut, and it should do on its own. No need to worry about others command. So extrude, okay. So you can have a look here. This one is, I think I made it beautiful here. So again, we'll put some ball like shape head on the top. So go to front plane, sketch, and make normal, and we'll again use here a revolve feature. Smart dimension. sorry, 10 mm is big figure, so we'll make it 5, and we'll go to 3-point arc here, this one, and this one. So fixed it, and go to feature here, revolve boss, and axis of revolution, make this one, and okay. So here I have made it somewhat, I think it somewhat looks like this here, but not actually, but somewhat looks like this. And the final thing I have to do is I'll put some appearance here to look like it's made from wood or something like that. So we'll go to here, appearance. I have already here one appearance, color appearance, and wood, and I'll go to something. I think I don't have idea what the chess king and all these components are made from. Let's try walnut. Oh, sorry, walnut here. So okay, it somewhat looks like chess component. So this is the model, 3D model I have created using Revolved boss and a combination of both Revolved boss and Revolved cut. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for a brand new video every week. Thanks.